Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. If you're new here, Rebecca Coco, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the family. And if you're not new here, thanks for stopping back to watch this video. I don't know if you guys know, but your girl recently celebrated her 25th birthday. Y'all, I can't believe it. I am 25 years old. I feel old. My back is aching. I feel like reality is slowly trying to settle in, and I'm gonna need to figure it out, okay? But anyways, y'all, for my birthday I did a little bit of shopping. Guys, first of all, birthdays are so important, and I think more than anything, the gift of life and the gift of good health and safety, family, and security is so important. So yeah, so you know, birthdays have to be celebrated. But I did a little bit of shopping. I definitely am the type of girl who like to treat myself on my birthday. Like pre-birthday, I get the shopping blues, and I'll definitely go ahead and act on it. So I did a little bit of shopping. I wanted to go ahead and share the pieces I got with you guys. I know not everybody like these type of videos, and a lot of people just don't like watching it, but particularly me, I like watching these type of videos. I love watching birthday hauls, and so yeah. So if you don't like this type of video, definitely go ahead and click off and check out some of my other videos. But if you do, here we go. So like the first thing I got for like my birthday, I don't even want to say birthday, I want to say like pre-birthday, because this definitely was not like birthday. I was getting the pre-birthday like shopping blues, and I went ahead, but I got the Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I believe that's what it's called. But yeah, I got this little purse, and y'all, this thing is so darn adorable. I've literally been wearing this thing everywhere, like everywhere. I'm gonna insert a clip, like barbecues, anywhere I've been going this summer with my schedule allowing. I have just put this thing on, and I've been going with it. I've wanted one of this for like the longest time, and every time I went to the Louis Vuitton store, it was sold out. A friend of mine was actually able to see at the Louis Vuitton store in Chicago, and he got it there for me and then sent it to me. So I'm so happy I was finally able to get my hands on this. So here it goes. So let's start with like the smaller pieces, and then we're gonna move on up into like bigger pieces. You guys know, like around the time of my birthday, it was the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and again, it was my birthday, you know, so I had to treat myself a little bit, and I think I did pretty good. The first thing I got is this Chanel Universal Naturals Finish Smooth Powder. I've heard lots of great things about this powder. Pretty Brie MUA, she has a YouTube channel. I love watching her videos. She always goes on and on about this powder, and she's a makeup artist too. So when she recommended this powder, I was like, you know what, one day I'm gonna go ahead and treat myself to some Chanel powder, y'all. So I believe this retails for $50 or $55. So I picked this up during the Nordstrom anniversary sale, okay? But yeah, so this is it. My only problem with this, y'all, is that I got it in a shade that's like really dark. I think I got it in like the deepest shade, which is like my shade, but now I'm not able to use it as a highlighter, which is what I kind of intended it to be used for. So I might go ahead and get another one. I'm still gonna keep this one and probably just pick up another shade that's lighter, then I can go ahead and highlight with that one, and then ooh, I'm sorry, excuse me y'all, and then use this one as like a all over the face powder. But I used this today when I was doing my makeup, and I really like it. I feel like it made my under eye appear smoother. So just this powder. So the second thing I picked up during the Nordstrom anniversary sale is this Paula's Choice exfoliant. I have I believe like 2 or 3 backup of this from the Sephora VIP sale. I always make sure I go ahead and pick up like extras of this product, okay? I like this and I feel like it's really good. Like I feel like I see an improvement in it when I use it consistently for my skin. So I really like this. This usually retails for $59, but during the Nordstrom anniversary sale I was able to pick it up for $39. So guys, there it is. I haven't even opened it. That's because I have, like I said, like several backups, and yeah. So the next item I got during the Nordstrom anniversary sale is this Tom Ford set right here. Oh, this camera is not gonna focus, y'all. That's fine. Is this Tom Ford Sole Blanca set. So it came with two. I gave one of it to a friend of mine, so that's why I only have one in here, but I kept the rose gold one for myself. And y'all, this thing smells absolutely divine. Like, it smells amazing. I love it, and I used it once and it left a really nice sheen on my skin. I have it on my perfume tray, and I feel like in the summertime, especially when you're going on vacation, you can use this. It's not like glittery, it doesn't give off really like chunky glitter type of vibes, but I like the subtle highlight look that it leaves behind. It's like this subtle glow. I really like that. So just this set right here, it came with rose gold and then browns, and I kept this one and I gifted the other one to a friend. Alright, now that we got the simple things out of the way. By the way, my nails are not done, guys. Your girl have been super busy, but we got the simple things out of the way. Let's go ahead and get into, like, you know, a little some. Alright, so the next item, this was actually a gift from a friend, and I was so happy. But before I show you guys that, let me show you guys something else, y'all. For my birthday, my friend in Chicago, he's probably gonna watch this video, my friend got me some flowers, and I thought that was really sweet. Okay, that was really nice. So yeah. So the next item I got is a Saint Laurent item, y'all. If y'all don't know, like, Saint Laurent is one of my favorite designers, right after Louis Vuitton. Like, I can't wait to be able to afford like more Saint Laurent. I know I've really had my eyes on, I don't even remember the name, oh my god, the small Lulu, but I want it in like the metallic, so it has a little bit of a sheen, you know. I don't want it in like the regular leather. So yeah, but I got this Saint Laurent item. You guys can't even see it. Comes with the packaging and everything. It comes in this black dust bag. I kind of took a peek at it, okay? But y'all, I got this clutch from Saint Laurent, just this nude clutch right here. I thought this was really cute, you guys, especially for like dinner, little cocktails, whatever you're going out for, you know, little brunch or whatever. Just something for you to hold, something for you to step out with. That's simple, minimum. It's not doing a lot, and I really like the color. I definitely would like this in the black also. You know, once I got it on my birthday, and the friend who got it for me, I went and I looked, and I was like, oh, I would really like to get myself this in the black. So yeah, having the nude, and I think this is a really pretty color, and I feel like it can go with a lot of items in my wardrobe. My wardrobe is for the most part pretty black and neutral, so yeah, so this is definitely going to be a staple. It's not very big. I'm not sure how many items can fit in here. It's actually a little stiff, so just showing you guys. Yeah, it's actually a little stiff. I was really excited that I was able to get this, so yeah, thank you. You know who you are. But thank you. The next few items I got from Matches Fashion, and I was able to get a little bit of a discount. But yeah, I got 20% off on these items right here, and this was like the ultimate gift to myself. I wanted one other item for my birthday, and that just, it's always sold out. Whenever I go to the Louis Vuitton store, it's always sold out, so whatever. I'm not even gonna stress about it. But yes, let's go ahead and get this one open. Oh jeez. So this is the box it comes in right here. And again, I got these items from Matches Fashion, and like I said, I was able to get a little discount, so that was really nice. Okay, so it comes with the little booklet, and everything comes wrapped, so you guys can see. And here is our box, our first box. Okay, we have another item to show, but this is our first box. Y'all, is it just me, or has Dolce & Gabbana just been having a moment? Like, their pieces have been, or was I just sleeping on them? It could be either way. But y'all, Dolce & Gabbana have really just been having a moment. I saw these heels on Instagram and I thought they were so cute. They have like the D and the G. They're black. I just thought those were really cute. But that's not what I have to show you guys. Maybe one day, but that's not what I have to show you guys. So again, it comes with a little booklet. Y'all know I'm not gonna look at that. And I got a dust bag, obviously. Actually, right there. And you guys, look. I got a pair of sneakers, y'all. You don't know, like, for my everyday, day-to-day activities, like when I'm going to the office, most of my outfits, even dresses, like when I wear my baby doll dresses, I like to wear like trainers and sneakers with them, you know. So I'm never like too dressy, so I needed like a really nice good pair of sneakers. Okay, I initially had my eye on Gucci sneakers, and but I just never quite got to getting them. I know I saw them on Nordstrom the other day, but when I saw this, plus also a lot of people have those Gucci sneakers, like a lot of people have them, but this I haven't seen on as many people, so I just thought, you know what, let me go ahead and get this one. I saw this in the black and in the gold, and I just thought the gold was a little, you know, was a little extra, so of course I went ahead and got it. But yeah, this retails for, I believe, 500 to 600, 5 to 600. So the price range is similar to what the Gucci sneakers were going for, but like I said, these I don't see on too many people, so I went ahead and I got it. But it has the little emerald right there. I think this is so freaking cute. Oh my god, is this focusing, y'all? I don't know. I really hope it is focusing. My only concern with this, y'all, is gonna be me not getting it dirty, which is gonna be super hard because I'm a bit sloppy. But yeah, I think these are really cute, and it just felt nice to kind of treat myself, you know. As to the little Dolce & Gabbana right here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys, if the camera is really picking it up, but just this sneaker right here. The next item I got is just a little scarf, y'all. Just this little scarf. I got this from Burberry. Y'all, I just like little things like this, like little trinkets to put on my bag, or sometimes to put on my hair, like my hair when I put my hair in a bun, just to have a little scarf hanging down. I think that's really cute. Or sometimes I style it around my neck and tie a little bow depending on what I'm wearing. I just think things like this is like super cute, you know, super girly, and I don't know, I really like stuff like that. But it just has the orange Burberry logo. So it's not very big, and I believe this was about 100 to 200. I believe so, around that price range. But yeah, it was a decent birthday. Okay, it was a decent birthday, but still I felt love. I always do. I felt, you know, I felt good. I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful to my family, and I think that's what's most important. Yeah, I didn't really travel or go anywhere for my birthday, and hopefully I'll be going somewhere soon. So yeah, I definitely want to go to Hawaii so I can do some shopping. But yeah, keep on the birthday behavior, okay? It's Leo season all year round. I don't care. But yeah, those were all the items that I picked up, and some of them gifted from friends. And yeah, I'm just super thankful to be here and to be where I am in life. You know, it's definitely not where I imagined I would be at this grown age of mine, but either way, we thank God. Like, God definitely has a purpose and he has a plan, and sometimes it's hard to remember that. But you know, as you're getting older, you continuously have to remember that God has a plan for your life, and in due time, it's all gonna come into fruition and everything is gonna work out how it's intended to work out. Anyways, I've said a mouthful. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, you guys, and spending this time with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this little luxury designer haul. And yeah, don't be afraid to treat yourself, especially on your birthday. You deserve it, and make sure you go ahead and treat yourself, girl. Tell them Coco says so, okay? Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye my babies. Bye guys.